Yes, friends, will welcome you all again in the revision of the grammar lesson of voices from the 9th and 10th. Yes, friends, I have made a table for you people so that it will be easier for you to know about the change in the voice. In first column, there is the tenses, name of the tense, the sentence from the active voice, what are the necessary changes that you have to make, and what are the change of from active to passive. Yes. Now watch it very carefully. I am away from the blackboard so that it will be focused for you people. Now friends, first sentence, and the tense is simple present tense. Ram eats a mango. Now what are the changes that you have to make? You have to use correct form of to be, and that is am, is, are plus past participle. This plus is very important, so I have made it bold because there are main two changes that you have to make in the passive voice, and it is the correct form of to be and past participle. We will call it as a PP afterwards. So past participle of the verb. Now Ram eats a mango. As it is the simple present tense, it becomes subject becomes object. A mango is eaten by Ram. Second sentence from the simple present tense, she sings a song and it becomes a song is sung by her. To be plus past participle. Now simple past. Ram ate. Ate. So correct form of to be was where. A mango takes was. Mango was eaten by Ram. And again second sentence of the simple past. She sang a song. It will become a song was sung by her. Now simple future tense. Ram will eat. This will eat will change to a mango will be, because correct form of to be we have to use in a future tense. It will be. A mango will be eaten by Ram. Eaten, always eaten. Eaten, sung, eaten, sung, eaten, sung, because in every sentence you have to use the past participle of the main verb. So a mango will be eaten by Ram. Now second sentence of the simple future tense, she will sing a song, will sing. It will become a song will be sung by her. Now continuous present continuous tense. Ram is eating a mango, is eating. Now it changes and is are plus being is used whenever the active voice changes to passive in the continuous tenses. A mango is being eaten by Ram. Second sentence from the continuous present, she is singing a song and it will become a song is being sung by her. Now past continuous tense, Ram was eating. This was eating will change to was being eaten. So a mango was being eaten by Ram. Now she was singing, past continuous tense, a song. She was singing a song. It will become a song was being sung by her. Now perfect tenses. Present perfect tense. Ram has eaten a mango. This has eaten. As the perfect tense it takes been. So have has plus been plus past participle. A mango has been eaten by Ram. She has sung a song. It will become a song has been sung by her. Now past perfect tense. Ram had eaten a mango. It will change to a mango had been eaten. So had plus been plus past participle. A mango had been eaten by Ram. Second sentence from the past perfect. She had sung a song. It will change to a song had been sung by her. Now again, future perfect tense. Ram will have eaten a mango. It will change to shall will have plus been. So a mango will have been eaten by Ram. Now second sentence from the future perfect tense. She will have sung a song and it will change to a song will have been sung by her. Now about the modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries take be. So Ram would eat a mango will change to a mango would be is used, would be eaten by Ram. Now she must sing a song. She must is the modal auxiliary, it will take be. So a song must be past participle of the verb sung by her. Now friends, these are the ways how to change from active voice to passive voice, and Remember it very well that passive voice of intransitive verb and continuous future tense, perfect continuous present tense, perfect continuous past tense and perfect continuous future tense is not possible. Means intransitive verb, future continuous tense and all these three perfect continuous tenses. The passive voice is not possible. So friends, have a revision with this table. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Take the screenshot of this and it will be helpful for you whenever you are going to learn or revise active voice to passive voice. Thank you very much.